Hey, welcome back. Have you ever wanted to create soothing, faceless content that earns you passive income while helping others feel better? Well, today I'm showing you how I make my AI generated meditation videos without recording your voice or even picking up a camera. Right now, meditation videos are one of the most evergreen niches on YouTube, but many people get stuck thinking they need a professional voice, expensive equipment, or deep editing skills. But what if you could create peaceful, high quality meditation content with just a few free tools and some creativity? Today, I'm going to show you how you can do this. We'll go through how to write and generate a calming meditation script using AI, where to get royalty free music and ambient sounds, how to use text to speech AI for soothing narrator voice, using free visuals that pair perfectly with meditation themes, and how to easily publish and edit your first video all from your laptop. So let's start with the first step. The first step is generating a script with AI. So use something like ChatGPT or Gemini to write a prompt idea, something like write a 5-minute body scan meditation with a gentle, calming tone. Now that you've generated your text, you can go over to 11 Lab and use this AI voice generator to create your narration for your videos. And I like 11 Labs because they have the most realistic voices and you can clone your own voice for this narration. As an example, this is what I've put in. I've pasted this in here for it to generate the speech. Now that you've generated the voice, you can go into any video editor. But I actually like going into the script and then importing the voice, and it will generate the text for you so you know exactly where you can match the words to videos or anything like that. And within the script, you can use their stock videos. And if you pay for their creator plan, you get unlimited access to royalty-free stock library. So you can use their stock footages in your videos and also be monetized for it. And this is what I did with mine. As you can see, their video stocks are very high quality and really matches my meditation video. Once you've created your voice and your video, that's pretty much it. And you can double check and export the video and upload to YouTube. And it's just that simple. And if you're interested, I will be posting my full video at the end of this video so you can have a feel for what the whole meditation video feels like. Well, I hope you enjoyed me sharing how I create my faceless meditation videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave questions in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today and that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Welcome to this guided meditation. As content creators, we often juggle many ideas and tasks, and sometimes our creativity can feel blocked. In this meditation, we will focus on relaxing your mind, opening up your creative flow, and finding clarity. Make sure you're in a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit up straight but relaxed. Place your hands on your lap or on your knees. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Bring your attention to your body. Feel the weight of your body pressing down into the chair or cushion. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet anchoring you deeply into the earth. With each breath, feel more grounded and connected. Start to relax each part of your body, beginning with your toes. Slowly move up through your feet, legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, and neck. Notice any areas of tension and consciously release them. Imagine a warm, soothing wave of relaxation washing over you. Visualize a calm, serene place, perhaps a quiet beach, a peaceful forest, or a cozy room. Picture yourself in this place feeling completely at ease. Allow this peaceful scene to become vivid in your mind, noticing the details and sensations. Feel the tranquility surrounding you. Now, bring to mind a current project or idea that you're working on. Visualize this project clearly in your mind's eye. Imagine it coming to life with all the details and nuances. See yourself working on it with ease and confidence. Feel the satisfaction of seeing your ideas flourish. Acknowledge any thoughts or concerns that may be occupying your mind. Imagine these thoughts as clouds drifting through the sky. With each breath, let these clouds float away, leaving a clear, open sky. Allow your mind to become calm and spacious. Visualize a bright light or a gentle glow above your head. Imagine this light representing inspiration and creativity. See it slowly descending and gently touching your head, filling your mind with fresh ideas and new perspectives. Feel the light spreading throughout your body, energizing your creativity. Repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I am creative. I am inspired. My ideas flow effortlessly. I am confident in my abilities. I am open to new possibilities. Let these affirmations resonate within you, reinforcing your creative power. Think of something you're grateful for in your creative journey. It could be a recent accomplishment, a supportive colleague, or simply the ability to create. Feel a sense of gratitude fill your heart. Let this positive feeling uplift you and enhance your creative energy. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Calm, refreshed, and ready to embrace your creative endeavors. Thank you for joining this meditation. Carry this sense of peace and inspiration with you as you continue with your creative work. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you need to reconnect with your creativity. Have a wonderful day.